That way you don't put too much pressure on him and you can get him in. Or her, I don't know.
Oh, this way?
Yeah.
No, it's coming back.
It's not. It's right in front of me.
He's fine.
He's coming, just reel. You can, come on.
Yeah.
He's like, no, I don't want to.
Oh, CJ's gonna be so jealous.
There you go.
Good job, babe.
Nice head.
I'll take a picture with Dad holding it so I don't get mucky around.
Well, get me the blue thing there that for the hooks.
My bad, dude.
Yeah.
There's a line here. I got him good?
Yeah. Read them out.
I know you want to fish, but you don't have to take
Here, give me the.
Tell me when you want me to reel.
There, you can take that out. Put it on your keeper, please.